Hi and welcome to Down the Shed. As you can see from the picture in front of you, I'm in my car. I recently saw a video on converting your cigarette lighter socket into a USB socket. So to save taking things apart, ripping wires out and wiring things in, I'm going to show you how to change your cigarette lighter socket into a USB socket in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it took me that long. That's how we convert a cigarette lighter socket into a USB power socket and still keep it so we can plug all of our other toys in. Well, actually, that's already plugged in. But, oh look, I've just plugged something else in. Oh, isn't that wonderful? Or the other way is to buy one of these and have 2 sockets, one on each end and 3 USB ports. So you don't destroy your precious cigarette lighter socket, because I do like to use it to light my fags now and again. So that's been Down the Shed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Another video of 1 minute 2 seconds where he changed it on his Mondeo, and I thought, well, what was the point of that? All you had to do was plug a USB dongle in. But obviously the video hoster was a bit of a dongle. So like and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.